Heyo, what's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an amazing day today. I just woke up, I'm feeling good, feeling like I need to kind of make a YouTube video saying we hit 2,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe like always and drop a like on this video. Yeah, we just hit 2,000 yesterday, we're already at 2,050. So thank you guys so much for that. That is absolutely amazing. Sorry I haven't made a new video in like a week. Maybe more. I don't really have an excuse, but I made music the whole time. I don't know, I just felt like making a song would be fun, so. I made music, like I said. I made one song and I put a preview on SoundCloud. I don't know, I was just doing it for fun. I kind of was just like, you know what? I was just kind of wanted to make a song. You know, I've always been into music. Dropped a main video on my main channel, and then I kind of like was like, you know, I want to try making a song. You know, I have a studio downstairs. I've always just like kind of done diss tracks in the summer, and that was kind of fun. I sucked, so I'm like, you know what, I kind of want to sing a song, write my own song, produce it and everything, so went ahead, I did it. Sounds not bad. Check out my SoundCloud down below. I'll play a little clip.
My phone last night and said don't leave her. I said I just fuck 'em and I leave 'em. Molly water and I got a diva. When she on my dick I tell and leave her. But when the night is done I just delete her. I get so much hate I feel like a leader. Diamonds on.
So that's the song. I hope you guys do enjoy. Go check it out on SoundCloud and follow me. The link is down in the description. Also, that's it, really. But yeah, today is just like a little bit of a different video where I'm talking about a big subject that gets brought up on my channel quite frequently. And I thought I would just cover it today because I don't really have anything to film about, and if I could film 2 videos in one day, which is today, I'm actually going to be either dripping syrup, I don't know, apparently I say it weird, on my dripper, because people have been saying they like those videos better than my reviews, and I hate my reviews because I can't edit them. It just gets so boring, and I just don't feel like, I'm too energetic, I'm too young to be telling you guys what's good and what's bad. I'm gonna still do it when like companies send me products. I'll still review them when companies send me products, but aside that fact, until I buy new mods and stuff, I'll review them. But I'm not gonna just go out and buy stuff to review like I've been doing. It's just too much money and too much work, and it's just so boring. And people say, just keep doing the videos you're gonna do, you're gonna blow up, we love watching them, the views are good, so I love views, so yeah. So I'm gonna try to drip syrup on there. It's still disgusting cotton from the last video. But yeah, if you don't like my channel anymore, I'm sorry, but I'll get videos in for everybody, okay? Just give me time. I gotta write some video ideas down because nobody comments video ideas. But I'm gonna cover a subject that's super hot. People talk about it a lot and ask me my opinion on it. I am 19, it's 18, you have to be 18 years old to vape where I live. So yeah, I'm 19, I'm of age, but the most question that I get, the most frequent question that I get is, what do you think of underage vaping? Like, here's the thing, okay? I have a lot of underage people that watch my videos. Do I care? No, that's awesome. I don't really care. Like, people on YouTube freak out, like the older guys. It's the older people that have been on YouTube for 6 years, 5 years, who literally haven't grown past 50,000 subscribers, which sucks to be you, but, you know, I don't know. It's those kind of people that care so much, the people who are older, as like the younger people, say me, like Donnie smokes because he's younger, and that's all I know for like vapors who are younger. I don't know if I could speak so much for him, but for me, I don't care at all. The views are good, whether they're underage or not. Okay, there's a certain underage point though. Like if you're 12 years old, watch my videos, I don't care. I do not try to promote vaping though. Like, I'm not pushing it out there and be like, yo, you guys gotta try this. It is so good. Like, you have to vape. I'm not like that. I'm not telling you guys to vape. I'm just putting content out there for you guys to watch, so I hope you, like, I just hope you guys watch me for my content, not for like the kind of things that I do, you know what I mean? Like, you're not watching it just because of vaping. I hope you're watching it just because you enjoy my content. And that's kind of where I am with the underage vaping thing. I don't really care if people underage watch my videos because I know I'm not promoting vaping so much compared to the older guys, and I'm not so strict on it. I mean, this is the thing. If you vape don't be 12, 13, 14, okay? I started vaping when I was like 14 and a half, 15. But the thing was, my parents were okay with it because I was using zero nicotine. I never used nicotine. And I believe you could do the same thing. Like, don't take my word for it, okay? Like, I'm not promoting underage vaping, but I don't care if you vape and your parents are chill with it. Like, don't like, if you're in my area, you're underage, don't add my Snapchat and ask me to buy you vape stuff, because I'm not gonna do it. But people do add me who are underage from the area, ask me questions, I answer them, I don't care. I'm not a cop, and I'm not gonna tell you to do something that you don't wanna do. Like, that's not what we're here on YouTube. We're here to make, like, you guys gotta remember, we're here to make content for other people. And if you're calling out the audience, what the hell are you doing? You're gonna lose a portion of your views just because you're against something. Like, I don't understand. It's underage, who cares? Everybody underage drinks. I don't drink. Like, what's the big deal? I vaped, I didn't drink, I smoked weed, did a few things, okay, but still, I don't understand what's so bad about underage vaping. I think they should have brought, like, it to 16, to be fair. I didn't really care, because in high school, I was never 18, which kind of sucked, but I still vaped from grade 10, so it didn't really matter, and I just got people to buy it for me. But I would never go buy for an underage kid, if that makes sense. Of course, I do have a neighbor who is 15 and vapes, and his parents allow him. So at that point, I don't care. It's just like alcohol. If the parents are okay with it, then you do it. You know what I mean? Like, for my kid, I would let him vape. It's like, I would be like, hey, if you're gonna vape, you're not smoking. You're not smoking weed or drinking, you know, kind of deal. Vaping is so, from what we know, it's not harmful without nicotine. So what's the big deal? I mean, people are gonna hate on me, but a lot of viewers comment, what do you think of underage vaping? And that's what I think. I think you can do it. You can watch my videos. I don't care how old you are. Just don't be 5, 10 years old watching my videos, unless you're watching it for being me. But if you're watching it to learn about vaping, don't watch it. I've been awling on this a lot. Whew. This thing's burnt. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I don't know what else I can really mention about underage vaping. I know while I was eating breakfast, I was talking about it to myself and like what I could say. But like, I don't script any of my videos. All my videos just come straight off my head. Like, I just start the camera and talk. So I don't know if any of that made sense, but I hope that answered your question about underage vaping. I know if this video goes big and other like vapors watch it, they're gonna be mad. They're probably gonna react to it just because it's something that's such a hot topic. But that's my opinion on it. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. Don't flag the video or something stupid because I'm ruining the vape industry. People are saying I'm ruining the vape industry by dripping like Skittles and stuff. But no, it's literally a DIY. Like, it's experimenting. You can't experiment. It's illegal to experiment. You can't get sponsorships if you experiment. I've gotten sponsorships, I've gotten offers, I've turned offers down. If they're not paying me good, like, if a sponsorship isn't gonna pay me, I'm obviously not gonna take it. I'm reaching that mark now where I'm respecting it kind of deal. Like, I'm not just gonna take any sponsorship, and that's why I've been like kind of like dealing with emails and stuff and haven't been posting so much videos. I'm trying to work stuff out, bring up a future for myself on here instead of just like you know what I mean, then like relying on ad revenue, because it's not the best. But I've gotten comments saying take your videos down, I'm reporting them, they're stupid. It's just like, why? It's experimenting, it's funny. Like, what's not funny about it? Get some humor in your life or something. Like, how isn't it funny? I'm making Skittles vape juice, a candy that's everybody likes, and vaping. Two hot topics, you know, you put them together, the views, it's hilarious. But obviously people are always gonna hate on me. I don't really care. But I'm gonna make a syrup video right now, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like on it. Check all the links down in the description. That would mean a lot. Follow my SoundCloud. Subscribe if you guys are new. Comment. Let's get some talking going down about underage vaping. The title is gonna be like, underage, let's talk underage vaping, but the vape will be spelled F or V4PE or V4P3 because if I put vape, it'll get demonetized, and then yeah. But anyways, that's why. But anyways, have a good one. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, guys. I'm filming it right now. Peace.